How to restrict someone on Messenger. So if you want to restrict someone on Messenger, then first you just need to open up your Messenger application. Once you open your Messenger, now you just need to simply choose an account or a chat to whom you would like to restrict. So for example, I'll be choosing a chat. Once you've chosen a chat, now go for the upper right, which has that info option. Tap on the icon and scroll down. Once you scroll down here, you will have restrict option. So if you want to restrict someone on Messenger, then simply tap on the restrict option. Once you tap on restrict, that person will be restricted. But there is also another way that you would like to use to restrict someone. So for example, I'll be choosing this second person. So if you simply tap and hold on to that chat, then you'll be able to have an option of restrict. So here on the bottom you will have restrict. Tap on restrict and that person will be restricted. That's a shortcut. So that's how you can restrict someone on Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.